farm. Oops, the dirt farm. This is where Kinal's sister and her brother-in-law sell dirt basically. And they got a shit ton of trucks lying around. This one here, it's got its axles out, and she's currently sitting on. Oh no, there's jack stands. My apologies. I thought, no, here's a chook. Just check out those jack stands. We've got the wheel, the wood, and I think on the other side there's a bottle jack. Piss down rain here now. Anyway, he's doing the brakes. And he just fired up, he's pushing new batteries in. It also looks like a steering arm or something. And it's just sort of welded in bits with some Rio. Maybe sort of. Jump in. We're in the kitchen of this thing here. You know, I looked at the wall before and wondered why it was so black. This is why. This stove up against the wall and the smoke just sort of lingers about. Whoa, mate.
Jumper.
Okay?
Jumper. Cooker.
Cooker.
Yeah.
One dot.
Yeah.
This is the dirt farm, Kinal's brother-in-law's dirt farm. It's a quarry. And the smell of diesel in the air is toxic. There's work going on down there, there's work going here. There's a bit of equipment actually. So I don't know what they do. They just load up with dirt, come up here, drive the trucks up, and out they go, out the door. And that's the hut, the smoke house, but they've got fires inside. And that's where we're staying in here, the farmhouse. There's another farmhouse. There's some motors back there, let's go have a look. Now at the back of the place, this is a chook shed, but just with the chooks, they've got everything here. I mean, everything that's rusty. Another block. Gears, thingo gear from the diff. Have a look at that broken tail shaft, CV joint, sleeves, barrels. This country, people just don't throw things out, they just chuck stuff and that's it. Huh? Where? Where?
Where the fire is.
This thing's got check engine light, maintenance required, and it won't rev past 2800 RPM. It sort of shudders like this. It might actually do that, just for our viewing benefit. Crickets purchased. What I'm actually doing here is waiting for a safe gap rather than just pulling out.
What you're doing is using the phone while driving.
Well, Yes.
See?
Let's see if we can get this thing to bounce. Ready? There we go. It's got some sort of rev limiter on it because the engine light's on, or it needs a timing belt or something stuffed.
I'm driving the car. This is the phone while driving.
Yep.
White man
White man.
breaking the rule.
Khmer lady. Kid in the front seat with no seatbelt. Kids in the back seat.
Yeah,
with no
'cause it's
seatbelts.
Khmer.
Yeah.
And what white man do? Using the phone
That's right.
while driving.
I've got a seatbelt on. Just getting the beers colder with the hammer here. Well, it looks like it's made from bits and it's crooked. Looks like a panel beater's hammer. Looks like a panel beater's hammer, but it looks like just like a weight with some bolt on another bolt. It's not straight, all welded together, and it works okay. Here, use the hammer.
Mà cái nhỏ.
Oi!